Hi there, students. To decamp, decamp as a verb, it just means to leave, to go away. Normally, suddenly and unexpectedly. So suddenly and unexpectedly is the nuance, and also particularly without telling anyone. So to just disappear. So yeah, he decamped from the hotel without paying his bill. Okay, he left secretly, unexpectedly, and he hadn't paid his bill. He absconded. Yeah, he did a moonlight flit. When he discovered that his girlfriend was pregnant, he decamped. Yeah, he suddenly left. Okay, so to decamp, to depart suddenly. It can also mean to break up a camp and leave. So, oh yeah, we went on a camping holiday and we decamped after we'd had our breakfast. But to leave, he picked up the he picked the letters off the table and decamped, went away. Yeah, he decamped to the north of England after the scandal broke out. Okay, so to decamp, to depart, to go away, and then very often secretly and suddenly and without telling anybody. Okay, that's the idea. He decamped to avoid the people he owed money to escape, to run away, yeah, to run off. To decamp, a regular verb. He decamped, he has decamped. Okay, now next question, what about formality? I think I'm going to give this a 6, maybe even a 6.5 in formality. It sounds rather posh. Informally, he went away, he left, he ran off. Yeah, he disappeared. Could you use it in an informal conversation? On the very edge of possibility, but it does sound awfully posh. Okay, it's time for us to decamp. I think though, probably better for semi-formal and formal writing. Yeah, to run off, to leave, to disappear, and then it comes from the French word décamper, to decamp, effectively, to break up your camp. And this word camp comes from the Middle English word camper, meaning a battlefield or an open space. From the Latin word campus, an open field. Notice the campus of a university. And then there's a Proto-Indo-European origin, kemp, meaning to bend or something that's crooked. Okay, so it's probably time for me to say goodbye and decamp. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To decamp, to do a runner.